the value of a nation is always reckoned with how much are you worth? How much is the Filipino, the country Philippines? It's how many people are working and what we are selling. Pag ganyan dyan, it's always, kay Russia, China, it's always consumer and the businessmen, the investors. And there must be people buying whatever is being produced by your country so that you'll earn money. And people are all working, so you have this economic activity, you have the capital. Yan lang ano dyan. We have to stop fighting. We have to come to terms with the MALF, with the Muslim community here in Mindanao. We must talk to the NPAs, to the Communist Party of the Philippines. We must agree to stop fighting and then work on our economy. We have to invite investors. Maybe the workers should also stop asking for more and going into a strike. 2 buwan pa lang yung negosyo, mag-i-strike ka na. You have to sacrifice. Kaya China gano'n eh. Bagay, walang demokrasya. Pag sinabi ng mga authorities, ito dito gawaing superhighway. Sibat kayo lahat. We give you 1 year or 6 months. Alis lahat yan. Pero yan, masama naman kasi talagang hindi demokrasya. Pero, pag lahat ng tao are agreed na kailangan natin yan, in about 5 years' time, we would compete with the other Asian countries. Pero kung magsige ang impeachment, tapos gulo, putok dito, putok doon, we have to face terrorism. And the only problem is that I said I have this basic, hindi naman reconcilable, but basic problem with dealing with Americans. Pero ako personal yan sa akin. But we have to agree that this is our course. But we have to stop fighting. Improve the economy. Sell more. Get people to have work jobs. Then if you add the value, the growth, the gross domestic product, that's what economy is all about. Producing and work for the people. That's it. Investments. And we can realize the dream that we all hunger for. The good life for the Filipinos.